In a quiet library, Bob discovered the perfect prank, the sneezing book. He strategically placed a tiny whoopee cushion between the pages of a dictionary. As unsuspecting readers flipped through the book, they triggered a symphony of sneezing sounds. The library turned into a chorus of confused gazes and stifled laughter. Bob, hiding behind the bookshelves, struggled to contain his amusement. His prank quickly became the talk of the town, and the Sneezing Symphony legend was born. Little did Bob know the librarian had a sense of humor. Instead of scolding him, she joined the laughter, making the library a livelier place where the occasional sneeze echoed between the bookshelves.